Hey boss, Andrew James here, and these are the 3 most important SEO tips for your small business. If you've ever done a Google search, you probably wonder why one site ranks at the top of the page while another site ranks clear at the bottom of the page. But for a local business, getting to the top of the Google results is simple as long as you understand these 3 factors. And here they are. First, it's about relevance. Google wants to return relevant results for a search. So to help your business show up, make sure you have the right categories selected in your Google My Business listing and be as specific as possible. Second, it's about proximity. This is how close your business is to somebody who is searching. So to increase your chances of showing up, make sure your business name, address, and phone number are listed on your website, and also that your Google My Business listing has all the towns and cities that you service. Third, it's about prominence. Now, Google says this is how well known your business is. So it helps to have mentions in blog posts and articles, and also listings in local directories. And those are the 3 most important SEO tips for your small business.